Tonight we are tracking the tropics with a disturbance off the Atlantic coast of Florida now. Taking a live look, it has gotten dark, so it is harder to see, but it is pretty calm. That likely will change in the coming days, though, as that disturbance moves across the state and into the Gulf. Good evening, and thanks for joining us. I'm Devin Bartolotta.
And I'm Cherise Gibson. So we could start feeling the impacts later this week, which is why we are calling for Weather Impact Day on Thursday.
For exactly what to expect, let's check on our forecast with Chief Meteorologist Chris Franklin. Chris.
Yeah, we haven't really seen any dramatic changes at all. We did get spaghetti plots on the center of the storm, which are almost useless at this point because there really is no organized center yet. And those spaghetti plots say nothing about the structure of the storm, which we are still expecting to be maybe a depression at the strongest based on model trends right now, but primarily a rainmaker for us. So where are we at the moment? Notice this is what is being classified as the center of the invest. And a lot of that is based on satellite data, as you can kind of see in the last few images here, as most of the storms are kind of being removed. Any low-level clouds are clearly kind of circulating around that center. And so if this is the center, when you colorize those storm tops, there really are no thunderstorms right around the center. We switch over to radar. There's definitely some rain, but no big intense storms at this hour. Right off the coast of kind of between Daytona Beach, Melbourne, there's a Space Coast. So at the moment, there is really no organization with this storm. It's trying to. You definitely see that on satellite and on radar. The big question, though, is going to be where exactly in the Gulf does this system emerge? A little farther to the north, better, because it's going to have the land interaction and a shorter period of time over water. Worst case scenarios would be farther south, especially well to the south of Tampa, and it would have more time over water and more time to strengthen. Something we'll be watching very closely in the coming days. No issues tomorrow from the tropical rains. In fact, fewer showers. So we have a heat advisory in effect for our Tuesday. So hot, and then we'll expect some rounds of rain coming up starting probably on Wednesday. We'll take you through the timing and look at all the models in just a few minutes.